Here I have Samsung Galaxy M04, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device. So in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it and can't even access your device right now because you can't unlock it. So what you can do in this kind of a miserable situation? Firstly, you have to turn your Samsung off, but as you can see, it doesn't allow me to turn it off. It says me enter PIN to turn off. So what can we do in this kind of a situation? We have to hold down combination power key plus volume down for about 7 seconds, and after the Samsung forcefully turns off, we quickly release the keys and hold down power key plus volume up this time. And after the screen turns on and we can see Samsung logo appeared, we have to release power key and keep holding only volume up, just like this. In the following menu, which will appear, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select an option wipe data factory reset, then select factory data reset, and after you see the message data wipe complete here, that means that all the data from your device is erased, including that lock screen password. And after that you have to select an option reboot system now, and your device will be restarted in about a minute or two. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.